caution.
Copy that.
Scanning complete. Move the cart in.
Inside the 24K gold factory, how mining ore is refined into pure gold bars.
All right, over here. Unloading. Keep an eye on the feed rate from the secondary line. Roger that. Looks stable. Watch for any blockages. Keep an eye on the feed rate. Whoa. Looks steady so far. Keep the belt moving. Copy. Watch that discharge. The intake is steady, looking good. Keep an eye on the feed rate. Maintain.
The primary crusher is running smoothly.
Keep an eye on the feed rate.
Check the dust levels on conveyor 5.
Attention, sample analysis underway. Stand by for results. Madi, sample results satisfactory. Proceed.
The water pressure is holding steady. Good. The hydration levels look optimal.
Keep an eye on the belt speed.
The leaching process is running at capacity.
Copy that. Monitoring tanks 5 and 6.
Watch for any pressure fluctuations.
The carbon levels are stable at tank 3. Check the pressure on tank 5. We're seeing a slight rise.
Air pressure looks good. A small adjustment. Wait, a little less? Okay, that's better.
The readout shows 55.4 kilograms of sludge.
Record that.
Trays are ready for the middle unit, inserting the next batch.
Keep the temperature steady. Don't rush the extraction.
Understood.
Monitoring insertion. Heat is high.
The temperature is holding steady at 1100.
Check the flow.
Adjusting now, stand by.
Stop to pour. Crane, engage.
Engage, tracking to the pour zone.
Slow down, easy. Watch the angle.
The amperage is stable at 2.7, recording it now. The pH is reading at 6.8, adjusting the temperature down by half a degree.
The humidity is stable at 45%.
Record the output. We're ready for the harvest.
Noted. The sheets are ready to be moved to the wash.
See this patch here? We need to pull it.
Yes, agreed. Yeah, reject.
The gem.
Show your ID. Verified. You can proceed. Thank you, sir.
Tekielin prie vodlanie. Klūtinam fibaidā, un jāvartit sīdināt ižībam izsesam naidie. Lostavas ieklūtam našani patavumi konnesam.
The precious metal's purity will be verified to 4 decimal places, the smallest sample for the greatest bar.
Словом довести, как валя тошно, та й це там надшиба брічане скло.
Річки Гресаміріті, яким танкер виняє. Ніхто мато рівня фішеє воднєв.
Bar 1 check. Valid. Adding to inventory. Okay. Bar 2. Scanning now. Status check. Is the card secure? Card secure, Supervisor. Ready for transfer. Verified. Proceed with protocol. Affirmative.
Verification complete. Proceed to the loading bay.
Roger, roger.
Card is positioned. Initiating scan.
Ready for biometric confirmation.
Verified. Gate opening.
Status is clear. Proceed with transfer.
Roger that. Moving the load now.
Vault is open and prepared.
Proceed with caution.
Copy that.
Scanning complete. Move the card in.
Section 3, row 5 verified. Tablet confirmation matches.
So,
Moving to the next stack.
$24K, 999.9 fine gold.